Alright lads, today we are going to work a little bit on the Beamer, not the black Beamer. So to give you guys context, this is the new Beamer. So this is a 25i, this is the black one, which you guys are used to, and then I have this one. Give you guys context, this one doesn't have wing, so I went to this guy to pick a wing from this car. And the guy said to me, why don't you get the complete car? And well, yeah, I did it. I already bought a bucket seat. This interior, it's a little bit stripped already, so there's a lot of stuff here. The only bad thing about this one is we don't have the keys for this one, the key fob, because apparently this car was from someone that got the house on fire or something like that, and supposedly she lost the key fob and the key. So we ordered we ordered the ECU from a 25i. This is a 25i, but I was dumb as shit and I didn't look to the ECU number, so I bought the wrong ECU. It's supposedly from a 25i but not for a 90, and I think it's different because I tried, obviously. I bought the key fob, the CAS, it's the key module, and I bought the ECU itself, and the car won't start. And apparently it's because it's from a E90, and I didn't know about the difference on that. So the proper ECU, it's ordered. I ordered exactly the same part number, but from a different car, obviously. So today we can't turn on the car, but we are going to basically put the bucket seat in the correct place because this is completely loose. We are going to have to fabricate the bucket mounts. We are going to swap this steering wheel because I bought a Faco MP1, and we are going to probably apply the lock kit that I bought. So what we are going to do is we need to basically, the bucket seat, the distance, it's different in here. It's way like smaller, the distance in here, in between these two, these four in this case. So we are going to cut this bar roughly a little bit longer, like for example around here. We're going to drill this in here and in here. I have another bar there, and we are going to weld the bucket bracket, let's say, to the bar, and the bar will be screwed and the bucket seat will be welded to the bar. It's the easiest way to do it. Right, bar is cut, so we're going to drill two holes here, obviously. We have to drill the first one, and then we are going to drill the second one. The first one is going to be around here, and the second one is going to be around there. Alright, so one bolt is done, one hole is done. We're going to tighten this one. Tem que cortar o parafuso, não interessa. Right, aqui. E este aqui, esse daqui. Bem. Alright, so basically the bars are in already, and this is basically the mechanism for the bucket seat, and we are going to weld it here, weld it there, and we can adjust. Then we have this thing that is going to be on top of it with 2 bolts, and we can adjust. So we are going to weld those 2 brackets, and then we're going to try the bucket. O preço dessa merda, compra os motores tão melhores, meu. Foda-se. Tão melhores e tão mais baratos. Bem, ele assim é capaz de dar. Oxe, não agarra. Agarrou. Agarrou. Agarrou, mas se ele dá com esta merda destas máquinas. Isto é para pingar, não é para soldar, ó Valentim. Ih, não desliguei a bateria. Será que vou queimar a centralina? Ah, então, por acaso, olha, por acaso ficou um espetáculo pingado, olha, estou com ele na mão. Eu vou buscar a rebarbadeira, senão nunca mais me safo. Since the kid is outside, awake already, I can't weld anymore, but I can put the steering wheel. Right, this is the front. Right, I need a gun. I have my gun here. Bomba. It's coming loose. Right. This comes out. This adapter comes here first. Supposedly this is the correct one. Ah, it is for the airbag and everything. Right. So the wheels are to the front, a little bit to the left, to the right. Now we check if the steering wheel is a little bit to the right, and it is. So I'd say this is the perfect position. Right. It's a little bit too much, I think. We're going to see. So we have the bolts here. Vais cair. Gee. 1 bolt, 2 bolts. Bebé. Right. Tight this. Okay, and it's basically it. Now I'm going to put the key fob in to adjust the steering to the center. Right. I think the wheels are centered now. Steering wheel is a little bit to the side. I'd say it's this, something like this. Obviously now we need to adjust it when the car is in the floor, like perfect aligned. Bolt in, you tighten it with again. Right, it's perfect. Now this, like this. Yeah, that's it, basically. Right, this is the final product. Basically, everything is in. The bucket seats, it's in, it's tight. And this is the final product. Next time, it's going to be the seats. See you soon.